in cases where there's a lot of pet hair and dander, it's not that hard to take up 2 or 3 hours vacuuming at all. Work trucks, special cause issues, and other reasons can also cause it to take 2, 3, or even more hours just to vacuum. By watching these few clips here and multiplying that times every square inch of carpet in the vehicle, you can understand how it really could take 2 or 3 hours just to vacuum a vehicle. So that's how I handle pet hair. I'll just kind of scoop it up into a pile, and then I'll vacuum up the whole rest of the mat like this, like literal square inch by square inch. And I'll use that same tool, crevice tool that's on the vacuum there. I'll use that for the whole vehicle and do all the carpet just like you see me do that mat right there. Now here's some more, obviously, more pet hair. This is the driver's floorboard. Floor mat's pretty bad, but even under the mat, if you see this bottom right corner here, there's a lot of there's like a big pile of dander there. So this tool I'm using here, this will gather up most of the pet hair, and it also loosens up any debris and stuff that are in the carpet fibers themselves, so it'll be easier for me to vacuum them up. So after I vacuum these, I'll still wash the floor mats and everything good. Vacuuming is just the first step I do on floor mats. So there, we vacuumed it up into a pile. Get the vacuum out. Just showing how big it is. There you go. Now watch this trick. There you go again, square inch by square inch. What you're not seeing is after I finish the mat just like this, I'll do the rest of the carpet the same exact way. And this is just one of the smaller SUVs on a vehicle like a Yukon, or one of those really big SUVs, or a van. It's not hard to imagine how I can literally spend 2, 3, or even more hours just vacuuming a vehicle. So anyway, I wanted to make this little video just to kind of show that and let people know that I'm really not exaggerating when I say that I can vacuum a vehicle for a few hours easy. There's all that pet dander right there in that corner. Look at that. That's not dirt, debris, gravel, or anything. That's pet dander. So alright, I'll let the video play out. I just wanted to give a little commentary on this video. Thanks for watching.